5 bargain destinations for February. Regardless of whether the expression February travel invokes pictures of a sentimental escape, American history, or a warm shoreline getaway, or each of the three, we have uplifting news. Airfares to some prominent midwinter goals are down. Our companions at Skyscanner did the math and thought of some moving information. Here, 5 U.S. goals where airfares are shockingly moderate. Chicago. Household airfares to the Windy City are down around 32% contrasted, and a year ago as of now. That implies the essence of Lou Mitchell's mind-blowing breakfasts, 7 Lions muffalettas, and, obviously, an exemplary profound dish pizzeria are all inside reach. Also the perspectives from Skydeck Chicago and Willis Tower, the astonishing workmanship accumulation at the Art Institute of Chicago, and Isaac Anish Kapoor's notable cloud gate form, otherwise called the beam. And keeping in mind that you're grinding away, Telsu, the monstrous T-Rex fossil of the Field Museum, that budget travel says, greetings, Houston. With airfares down around 28%, the U.S.'s fourth biggest city is prepared for winter guests. While you can expect a loading segment of Southern cordiality down here, BBQ, comfort sustenance, and steaks, you'll additionally cherish the quite chic shopping, forefront cooking, and group-satisfying hot spots, for example, the Johnson Space Center's Space Center Houston, where children of any age will love the variety of shuttle, moon shakes, and learning exercises, and the city's energetic Museum District, containing 19 establishments, including the Children's Museum and the Museum of Fine Arts. Washington, D.C. Airfares to our country's capital are down around 16%, and the city's major social and chronicled organizations are on the whole allowed to the general population, making it a definitive goal for remembering President's Day and Black History Month. Try not to miss the new National Museum of African American History and Culture, the National Gallery's unmatched workmanship accumulation, the moving landmarks along the National Mall, and the cool neighborhoods, for example, Adams Morgan and DuPont Circle, where local people appreciate some of America's finest restaurants and one-of-a-kind shops. Dallas. Traveling to Dallas, with its magnificent shopping and feasting in West Village, history at Highland Park Village National Historic Site, and the George W. Shrubbery Presidential Library and Museum, and brilliant workmanship accumulations at the Dallas Museum of Art and Crow Collection of Asian Art, is around 15%, not as much as a year ago. Miami. Warm shorelines, Frontoni South Beach with its variety of stately lodgings and notorious Art Deco style to the calmer, family accommodating vibe of the North Beach territory, are inside reach, with charges down around 15%. When you chomp into your first Cubano sandwich, you'll say thanks to us for the airfare tips.